a walk-around GNX 548, the one I built. Vehicle only made 547. Went ahead and put the repo sticker. Everything's avionics wired, bumper to bumper. Power extender. The battery's fake. Battery's in the trunk. Got the ground extender. TA headers. RJC 5-inch downpipe. We have the Corvette mini starter on it. Fuel pressure. Dash 8 and dash 6 return. 72-pound injectors. Electronic boost control. These are the Grand Prix rods I had custom made. On both sides. Factory coil, cross spare hot wired. OLM wires, 10mm, 25 ohm. NGK UR4s. 165 TD rockers under there. It's iron heads, iron block, small rod stroker. Got the Alky kit dual. Hydro dip. Gen 1 Biggie filter kit with oil cooler. Oil pressure sensor. All the rubber is silicone. Everything you see chrome is aluminum. 3-inch Gen rad dual fan with RJC aluminum pulleys. RJC front mount intercooler. Special heat disbursement painted. Powder coated to factory aluminum hold down to the radiator. 4-inch inlet, 14-inch K&N. Got HID headlights, LED side markers, and the bottom markers. Still got cruise control and everything. PCV evacuation from the valve covers. Custom power steering. I have a custom made all aluminum no rag joint steering shaft, and that goes to a G3 3-to-1 box. The dual fans. AccuFab doghouse, throttle body, fuel pressure regulator. Ran my lines, fuel lines this way, all the way down out the back. Got the no holes aircraft bulkhead material with the sticker, correct sticker. Come right here to the inside. I didn't turn the battery on. It's a full LED kit. It's full interior. show up. Rebuilt the handle with the billet upgrade kit shifter. Works fine, goes all the way into first. Got the fast E-dash. Old style Alpine. Cigarette lighter, everything works. AC works. Got Parsons GNX dash with a training temp gauge in it. Skid banisters for the XFI. Billet ring. Got a new wheel. AM boost, air fuel. That's with my Alki. Either low or green I'm riding. Also have the power injection and my dummy lights. The re-chrome kit. I had the badge custom made. XFI's in here. 2.05 intelligent with traction control. Got the drive shaft collar. Everything works. The only thing this car does not have is the GNX suspension. But I have a modern suspension. TRZ Garth Brooks bar. Q&A coilovers. Wheel with disc. Curry 4.9-inch upgraded Mark Williams case. 320 gears. 29 12.5 under it. Frame notched. Exhaust is GM1's 3-inch. All the way out the back. New tank. It's hot wired. It's got the 540 Hellcat pump in it. Single. She is straight as an arrow. BSFE Pure Black Onyx HD water base single stage. A-pillars are welded and leaded. Car is all steel except the hood. Hood's Heartline fiberglass. And that's just some of the stuff she has. Once this rain goes away, I'll be riding again. Car shows are already lined up. I'm unregistered.